Hi guys, welcome. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So I decided to do 2 braids on myself, and right now I'm just showing you guys how I part my hair straight down the middle. I mean, it's 2 braids, but technically it's 4 braids. 2 braids going into another braid. I don't know. But just sit back and watch me do my thing. The way I get my parts to be clean is I naturally part the hair first, and then I apply a little bit of the shining jam, and then I go back to make sure the parts, because it's easier that way once you apply a little bit of product on it, because the hair tends to fall the way that you need it to. So yeah. Now look at that part. Yes, that thing is clean, period. Make sure to comb out the edges. And right now I'm doing another parting, which is the baby braid that's going into the big braid. And for the baby braid, there's no need to add any hair to it, because for me, that's too close to my edges and I don't want all that tension. And y'all know how I am with tight hair. So I make sure that I'm not adding any weave to that one. Of course, it's not my first time doing my own hair, and it's definitely not my first time doing my own braids. But let me tell you guys something. If you don't get it right then and there, please do not give up, because this thing is hard. Okay, 2 braids for some weird reason, especially doing it on myself, I feel like it is extremely hard because your arms hurt and you have to get it in a weird angle. So just keep trying and don't give up if you didn't get it the first time, okay? Start braiding with your natural hair by itself first. Then you add the hair. Right here, I'm laughing my pain away. Okay? My arms hurt. If you're in pain, just swing that head back and swing your arms left and right. But whatever you do, don't let go of that hair, okay? I know y'all see me swinging that head back. My arms are like burning, okay? So y'all just make sure you keep your arms firm and tightly on the spot that you're currently in, so that you don't have to start all over. But we're almost there, almost. And of course, to make this process a little bit easier, I always recommend to make sure you wash and blow dry your hair prior to, regardless, especially if you're natural, because once you put that product in there, you know, your natural hair will soak up the product and make your hair even thicker. As you can see, like the middle of my head, even though I did blow dry my hair to the T, well, at least I thought I did. And yeah, you just got to make sure you get in there. Here we are, one braid down. So far so good. Yes, honey. Weird little method that I use my fingers to measure everything. So basically I just want to make sure that this side matches the other side. And you guys, let me tell you, my left side is my struggle side, okay? So this right here, ooh, I'm just going to rush through it because the pain is real on this side. Please, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for the kid. Please, please, please. Do you guys see the struggle or no? Because I was struggling. Now that I know I'm almost done, it's party time. Hey, I fuck with Haitians. All they speak is Creole. All I know is real. My edges are another struggle part of my everyday life. Struggle, 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 struggle. Definitely getting it together. Now I'm going to wrap that thing up and dip it in hot water. And of course I had to add beads to it. Ta-da! It's the big reveal, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. She's